Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to show the bookmarks bar in Google Chrome on your PC, especially with the latest updates. The bookmarks bar is a handy feature that allows you to access your favorite websites with just one click. Let's get started. First, open your Chrome browser. If you don't have it open yet, simply locate the Chrome icon on your desktop or in your taskbar and double-click it to launch. Next, look to the top right corner of your browser window. You'll see 3 vertical dots. This is the menu icon. Click on these 3 dots to reveal a drop-down menu. Now, scroll down and select Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can customize various aspects of your Chrome experience. Once you're in the Settings menu, find the section labeled Appearance. This is usually located on the left-hand side of the screen. Click on it to access appearance settings for your browser. Here comes the crucial step. Look for the option that says Show Bookmarks Bar. You'll see a toggle switch next to it. Click this switch to enable the bookmarks bar. When it's turned on, your bookmarks will now appear just below the address bar, making them easily accessible whenever you need them. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've successfully enabled the bookmarks bar in Google Chrome. This feature not only enhances your browsing experience but also allows you to organize and access your favorite sites quickly. If at any point you decide you want to hide the bookmarks bar again, just follow the same steps and toggle off the Show Bookmarks Bar option. Thank you for watching. Enjoy browsing with your newly visible bookmarks bar in Google Chrome.